Yo, what up, guys and girls? It's your boy SGP, back at you again. Of course, you see we at the house, so we doing mail calls. You already know how I run over here. If you've been watching, if you've been subscribing. If you haven't been subscribing, go ahead and hit the button, ding the bell, do all that YouTube stuff, you know what I'm saying? But we're not gonna hold you long. We're gonna get right into it. Got a package coming out of Ohio. Let's see what Ohio got for us. Of course, how we go, you know, some things I know what's in the box, just because sometimes I buy a lot of stuff from the same people. These are eBay pickups. So, but this was a new guy, so let's see what he got for us. That's what we got. Lebron, 25 and 5s. I flashed the color code and all that up on the screen for you. Let's see. Of course, these are worn. They look like, yeah. They have definitely been worn. Got some use on them. Black, white, maize. I believe that's the color. Maybe yellow. So, I think I got these for a steal, if I'm not mistaken, something like $18. So you got James on the top. You know, I'm not really too fond of all the extra Lebrons, like the Witnesses and the Ambassadors, but the 25 and 5s, you know what I'm saying, I rock with these. I didn't have a pair yet. So, let me get you guys some B-roll of this, so you can see what condition they were in. But the purpose of this shoe, it's a guy on YouTube. I linked up with him one day. He's out in the, sort of like in the Bay Area, out in San Francisco. And I think his name, I want to say it is Sal. It's slipping my mind at the moment, you know what I'm saying? But his information be down in the bottom. So these are coming out to you, Sal. So we're going to see what my man got, see if he can bring these back to life. So a little investment, you know what I'm saying, just to see what he got going on. For you guys interested, color code and all that be in the bottom, but it's 311145-101. Did get these in a size 9.5. Say for $18 plus shipping, so probably like a $30 beater. We'll see how this go. Alright, man. Let me know if you guys mess with 25 and 5s. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know if you guys rock with Sal.